Do you also want to send WhatsApp messages to your Instagram leads but sending it manually? Then I have bought this amazing automation for you by using which you can send WhatsApp messages to your Instagram lead ads as soon as you will receive a new lead, and you don't have to do any manual task. So now let me show you how you can create this amazing automation for your own business too. So right here on my screen you can see inside Pabbly Connect I have already built an automation by integrating both these applications, that is Instagram lead ads and WhatsApp Cloud API. So now as soon as I will receive a new lead over my Instagram lead ads, I'm going to send WhatsApp template message to them. And now let's firstly test this automation which I have already built in. So now for that, let's move on towards my Meta for Developers page with me. So here I'm landed to my Meta for Developers page where it is asking me to select the page and the form. So on my Facebook account, I have already created this page, that is the Magic Makers, and I'm using my Facebook account connected with my Instagram account. So now I'm going to select my page, that is the Magic Makers. So here I'm going to select the page, that is the Magic Makers, and afterwards I'm going to select my form, that is new leads from this drop down. And now I have to delete my previous lead because I'm working on the test mode, and here you can see that my lead has been deleted. Now we just have to click over this preview form button, and here I'm getting this form which I'm going to fill. So here I have filled this form providing email demo@pabblytunes.com, first name demo, last name user, phone number and the city. Now let's click over this continue button and submit button for submitting this form, and here you can see my form has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my WhatsApp and check whether I'm receiving a WhatsApp template message or not. So here I'm landed to my WhatsApp, and here you can see I'm successfully receiving this message which says, hi demo, we have received your form submission successfully, here are your details. And here I'm getting the same full name, email, phone number and the city. So now you have seen that within few seconds my Instagram lead has received a WhatsApp template message. So now you can also create this amazing automation for your own business too. And if you like this automation and want to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I have bought an amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this coupon code STUYT, which is going to provide you exclusive discounts on your purchase for the Pabbly. So this is your chance to get instant savings and take your business to the next level with the help of automation. And now for creating this automation you have to access Pabbly Connect. So open the new tab and type its URL, that is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will get two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user then you can simply select this sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect then you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and using Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user like me then you can just click over this sign in, and once you sign up your account you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page where I am going to access this Pabbly Connect app as I am going to create an integration. And here we are landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect where you can see these are the folders I have created, where I have created many automations by using different applications. Now if you want to create your own folder then you can just click over this create a new folder button, and here you have to provide the folder name, and you can even select the parent folder for better organization. And now at last you simply have to click over this create button, and now I am going to create a workflow. So for that we just have to click over this create workflow button, and here we are getting two options, that is create from scratch and create using AI. So if you want to create your workflow from scratch then you can select this option of create from scratch, and if you want to take the help of AI for creating your workflow then you can select this option of create using AI. But I am going to create my workflow from scratch, so here I am going to select it, and now we are getting this option for selecting the workflow builder. So here we are getting two workflow builder, that is beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible, and another workflow builder we are getting is classic, which will provide you stable and familiar approach. So here I am going to use this newly launched workflow builder beta. So for that you simply have to click over this select button, and here we are getting this dialog box which is asking me to enter my workflow name. So now let's provide a name to my workflow here. So here I'm providing it the name send WhatsApp template message to Instagram leads, and I'm going to select my folder as automation. Now let's click over this create button, and here we are landed to our workflow page where you might see this option of adding the triggers. So now you might be thinking, what is this trigger? So trigger is the first application or the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new lead over my Instagram lead ads. So here I'm going to select my trigger app as Instagram lead ads, which can be seen here, and afterwards I'm going to select my app event as new lead lead instant. Now let's click over this connect button, and here we are landed to the connection page, where if you want to go through your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection. And for building a new connection, you just have to click over this add new connection button, and here you have to click over this connect with Instagram lead ads. And here make sure to log in your Facebook account firstly connected with your Instagram account. And here I'm getting this option for selecting my Facebook account, so I'm going to just click over this continue button. And here you can see my connection has been built in so smoothly, and we are getting some of the fields. So the first field we are getting for selecting the page. So from here I'm going to select my page, that is the magic makers, and I'm going to select my form, that is new leads, as I want to receive the leads of only this particular form. And if you want to receive the leads of all the forms created under this page, then you can even select all leads and forms also. And now I'm going to select my response format as simple, so that I can get the response in simple format. Now let's click over the save and send test request button, and here it is waiting for the webhook response. Now for providing the webhook response, we have to receive a new lead over our Instagram lead ads. So now let's move on to my meta for developers page, where I'm landed to this lead ad testing tool page. And here I'm going to select my page as the magic makers, and I'm going to keep my form as new leads. And now I'm going to delete my previous lead, as you know I'm working on the test mode. And now we just have to click over this preview form button, and here I'm going to fill this form, providing email as smart@pabblytunes.com, first name smart, last name user, phone number and the city. Now let's click over this continue and submit button for submitting this form. And here you can see my form has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether we are receiving the response over there or not. 3 seconds ago I have received this response, that is response A, where you can see all the details of the user which I have recently filled. Now this is the time to send WhatsApp message to our leads. So for that we just have to click over this add new action step button, and here I'm going to search for my action app, that is WhatsApp Cloud API, by using which I'm going to send WhatsApp template message to my users. And now I'm going to select my app event as send template message. Now let's click over this connect button, and here we are landed to the connection page, where for building the new connection you have to enter the token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. And for getting the token you can take the document given on the help desk. So here you can see this is the document containing the videos and the steps for generating the permanent access token and setting up your WhatsApp Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect. And as I have already set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account, so now let's move on towards my API setup page. So here I'm landed to my API setup page, where we are getting this option for generating the access token. So now let's click over this generate access token, and here I'm going to select my Facebook account, and here you can see that I'm getting the access token which I'm going to copy and paste over the Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to paste it. Now let's get our phone number ID from the API setup page. So here I'm getting the phone number ID. Now let's get the WhatsApp business account ID. So here I have got all these details. Now let's click over the save button, and here our connection has been built in, and we are getting some of the fields. So the first field we are getting for selecting the receiver's phone number. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually enter my receiver's phone number, but no, I'm going to perform mapping, which is the real magic of Pabbly Connect. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step, so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map the receiver's phone number from the response which I'm receiving from Instagram lead ads, as this is my previous step or previous application. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select the slash symbol, and you will be getting all your previous applications. So from the response of Instagram lead ads, I'm going to map my receiver's phone number, and now it is asking me to enter the template ID. So on my API setup page, I have created some of the templates by using which I'm going to send template message to my users. And here you can see I'm landed to my WhatsApp manager, where you can see the message templates, and here I'm going to use this message template, that is confirmation. So now let me show you this template, and here you can see this template, and now I'm going to select it from this drop down. So here I have selected my template ID, and now it is asking me to enter the language code, which I'm going to enter it as EN, as I'm creating this template in English language. And afterwards it is asking me to enter the selected template name. So I'm going to refresh this field, and I will get the same template name as the template ID. And now it is asking me whether my template has headers. So as you know, my template doesn't have any header, so I'm going to select no, which is already selected. And for the header type, I'm going to enable this map button and leave this field blank. And now we are getting these fields which are not necessary, and this field says template has body, so I'm going to select yes, as my template has body. And now we are getting some of the variables which I have created inside my template for sending personalized message. So here in my message template, you can see the templates such as, you can see the variables. So here in my template, you can see these variables such as name, email, phone, full name and city, which I am going to map. So here I am going to map the first name in this variable, that is name. So here I have mapped it. Now I am going to map the email. So here I have mapped the email as well, and now I am going to map the phone number. So here I have mapped the phone number. Now I am going to map the full name, providing first name, space and the last name. So here I have mapped the full name as well, and now I am going to map the city. So here I have mapped it, and now we are getting these fields which are not necessary. And if you remember, for this receiver's phone number field, I have mapped the phone number, but I am going to remove this phone number and enter my phone number so that I can show you the response which I am receiving. So here I am going to enter my mobile number. So here I have entered it. Now let's click over the save and send test request button. So here I am going to just select it, and as I have selected this button, I am receiving a positive response which demonstrates that we might have received a WhatsApp message. So now let's move on towards my WhatsApp with me and check whether we are receiving a template message over there or not. So here you can see I'm landed to my WhatsApp, and here I'm successfully receiving the same message, that is, hi smart, we have received your form submission successfully. Here are your details, and here I'm getting all the same details which I have recently filled in my Instagram lead ads. So now you have seen that within few minutes we have built in this amazing automation by using which my Instagram lead is getting a template message. So you can also create this amazing automation for your own business too by just using Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if this video feels really helpful, then hit the like and subscribe button. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this automation, you can build many more integrations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can post it over the forums.pabbly.com. and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Connect for free now.